check like this, like live, then this will be more useful for us. Machine some part.
No.
One
No,
piece.
no need to machine. Because
Okay.
works in the effort, the material here, on top of it, it's okay. No problem. I will talk to you.
What question will be covered today?
I think
And what can we do next day?
next day,
If can, then as we have time, so we can make us expert.
expert.
Operator. At
Yes,
least we
yes.
can do the work.
I will send. Yeah. I will send.
এদিকে অটো ট্রাভেল করবে না
Make by hand or auto. Now we have take it little back. And then what? We have to do that. This also.
না হি ডুইং অ্যান্ড মেলিং
Turning. What is doing? Turning?
ড্রিলিং
Drilling.
Drilling a hole. The depth.
打断着身的孔在这控制速度。
Then if it reaches the requested depth, it will go back automatically.
就是说它拱丝的话，它用的话，那么拱到位的话，这个是往回拱丝那种往回收的。
হোয়াট ইজ
It's for tapping. Tapping screw.
Tapping.
往回收要用拱丝功能的话，就可以往往右；转眼的话就不用了。你调车身的孔，转90到120，这就30嘛。基本上
Also
30。
in the drilling, you can adjust the depth by the ruler.
然后距离多少拉的？
What is this? Turning?
Drilling.
Drilling.